Hi, I'm Dr. Mehnaz, and today I'm going to talk about a very common problem that is called dryness of the skin. First of all, before I tell you what dryness is, let us just tell you a little bit about the skin. What is skin actually? So, skin is the largest organ of the body, and there are three layers of the skin called epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. And there are types of skin like dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, and combination skin. Now, what is dryness? Dryness is a basically it can occur in any stage and for many reasons. Extremely dry skin can be a warning sign of a skin problem. It's called dermatitis. Dermatitis means inflammation of the skin. Now, it can cause a itchy rash or patches of dry, irritated skin. The symptoms that you will see are rough, scaly, or flaking of skin, itching, and ashy skin in people with very dry skin, and cracks in the skin which may bleed, or cracked or chapped lips. Let us know what are some of the causes of dry skin. Basically, aging. Aging is a very big factor. As we age, our skin becomes thinner and drier. By our 40s, it's very important that we start using moisturizer. Climatic conditions, yes, living in a very dry climate can cause very much dryness, like if somebody is staying in desert. Skin diseases, like people who are having atopic dermatitis, also called eczema. So even in that case, you can see a lot of dry skin. Psoriasis can also cause dry skin. Jobs like nurses job or hairstylist job, where they need to always have to wash their hands, or need to use water all the time, even they can have a lot of dry skin. And in swimming, there's a lot of chlorine in the water, even that can cause a lot of dry skin. So we need to know what treatments you can do during when you have this kind of dryness. So first of all, moisturizer. It's the most important thing. Applying a moisturizer very frequently throughout the day can help. Now it can make the skin more soft and smooth, and you are less likely to have the dryness. Changes to your daily routine. So if your dry skin is caused by something that you're doing, such as immersing your hands in water all day, or you may need to stop doing that. So, what are the do's and don'ts? The first do is, like, you need to avoid any kind of allergens that is causing the dry skin. So, basically, more than 35% of the kids with eczema also have a food allergy. So, you need to know what is triggering that, and you need to avoid it. Many times we see that dust or pollen or pet dander could also be the culprits. Now, moisturizer immediately after bath on wet skin you can use, but dry skin can lead to flare ups, so you need to avoid the flare ups by applying a moisturizer immediately after coming out of shower. So itchy clothes also can cause a lot of irritation to your skin, so you have to avoid the clothes that basically give you a lot of irritation, you should avoid wearing wool. Next, skip the scents, because sometimes a lot of fragrance also causes a lot of dry skin. And stress, too much of stress is very bad for your skin. So when you are under pressure, or when kids are under pressure, the skin shows. So try to avoid it. So what you should not do when you have a lot of dryness, you should not scratch. Scratching, the more you scratch, the more you will itch, and you'll get trapped in a very vicious cycle, and things can even lead to infection. So you need to stop scratching, and don't use too much of hot water, because it can dry out your skin a lot. So because hot water opens the pores, and it allows a lot of irritants